in the parliament today, Lok Sabha elections are going to be the big highlight because pro tem speaker, while temporary position, had its own showdown. But for now, to have the speaker position will be very crucial, both as much for the NDA as much for the India bloc. Why is TMC now in a huddle over this? If the India bloc has given out a name, because it's the Congress party that has sent out the name of K. Suresh, one of the senior most leaders. The TMC has said they never approached us when the name was announced, and now we are told that Sudip Bandyopadhyay, Kalyan Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee along with other senior MPs of TMC are in a huddle right now. They will be meeting Mamata Banerjee as well, because what does the TMC do now? Do they go and support K. Suresh, which has been announced by the Congress party? Do they suggest another candidate in this case? India Today's Amit Bhardwaj is joining me for the latest on that. Amit, this is very interesting because at least the NDA is united. It looks like it's going to be Om Birla 2.0 and Modi 3.0 government. But why is the TMC in a huddle? Why have they not immediately jumped on the ship with the Congress party?
Pooja, you know, there are discussions and deliberations that needs to be done when it comes to the parliamentary affairs. Yesterday, India Today had broke that story as to how the TMC was a little hit with the fact that, the Congress party did not discuss the pact of speaker and deputy speaker agreement that was struck with the government, which eventually got derailed. And after that, we were the one to break the story that TMC was not consulted when K. Suresh's nomination was done. His name was proposed, and you would remember as to how his name, TMC's signature were not in the nomination papers or proposal paper filed for K. Suresh's candidature. And today, however, the TMC was part of the India floor leaders meeting at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence, the Congress president's residence last evening. Today, we are given to understand that Sudip Bandyopadhyay, Kalyan Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, a couple of senior MPs from TMC are speaking to Trinamool chief Mamata Banerjee right now. The final call and consultation will be taken on the speaker election, and the Congress will be accordingly informed about TMC's choice. However, the eventual decision is pretty clear that TMC will be on board, but the discussion has to be done, and the messaging and narrative has to be very clear that there is an internal system through which the TMC will have to go, and the India consultations must not stop. That is also a message coming from the TMC through these meetings. Back to you.
Amit, stay on with me because remember, for NDA, Om Birla, clear, unanimous. But for the India Bloc, Congress party announced K. Suresh's name. He's from Kerala. Here's what K. Suresh said when he was asked about the TMC's remark in this case. Listen in.
No, yesterday evening, everything is clear. Their leaders attended the India Alliance meeting yesterday. Evening in the Kharge's residence, Derek O'Brien and Kalyan Banerjee attended. We explained the situation. They could understand the situation, and they will also cooperate with us.
This is very important because if you're wondering why such a showdown over the speaker's position, remember, speaker in many ways is considered to be the constitutional and ceremonial head of the house, deciding how the session is run, how possibly a lot of decisions that can find an easy passage are also taken. It is a decision-making power in and with the protocol that comes in the Lok Sabha. And that is why the TMC does not want to let go of this opportunity. In fact, that's the reason that India Bloc also is pushing for it. Because in the past few decades or the past few years, tenures, the pattern has been that speaker has been of the ruling party, and the deputy speaker often has gone to the opposition parties. But this time, the India opposition bloc realizes that they have higher numbers than they have had in the past 1 decade. And that's why they do not want to let go of this opportunity. And the TMC in itself, Abhishek Banerjee, the MP and nephew of Mamata Banerjee, saying, but the Congress never approached us when they announced the name of K. Suresh. Now, was this a miss on the part of the Congress party? Would it have been better that if even the BJP is approaching the opposition parties for a consultation and consensus on this, why couldn't the Congress have a very clear discussion with the TMC and its parliamentary party with regard to the decision and have it on board? So the TMC party, we are told, now that's a big update. As I speak, a big update coming in. The TMC parliamentary party has entrusted Mamata Banerjee, who's also chairperson of the parliamentary party, to take a final call on the speaker's position. So she's the TMC Supremo. She's not just Bengal chief minister. She'll also speak on how the party strategy should be. And it appears that the TMC has clearly registered a certain displeasure to the Congress High Command. Why was this unilateral decision taken? Why couldn't the announcement come with a consensus after having spoken to the TMC to say, this is who we want to mention? Why did the Congress party go ahead by itself? This is what Abhishek Banerjee had said. We are told that there has been a phone call that's also made between the leaders. We are told that, and I want to add here in an update that I've come, that Rahul Gandhi did speak to Abhishek Banerjee in the parliament and also later called up Mamata Banerjee. So that has happened. After the announcement, it appears Rahul Gandhi did have that discussion with Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee, a 20-minute phone call with the TMC Supremo about the concerns as well. But the TMC has decided to send a certain decision that they'll make it clear in the next few hours. But it's very important. 11 a.m. is when the NDA, led by Prime Minister Modi, as a united call, will go for Om Birla, even though it may be easier for them than the India opposition bloc. While the India opposition bloc is still not sure what to say. Is this also TMC's messaging? To say, think of us not just as some second party, as an ally, we are also as important in the Lok Sabha this time.